So today we are going to study tenses. So there are three types of tenses: past, present and future, and they have different kind of structure. So we will see their structure that are divided into four parts: simple, continuous, perfect and perfect continuous. So now we will see first of past tense, and with that we will see present and future also. So we will study one past sentence and see the transformation in other tenses also. So now in simple tense it is I drove, present I drive, future I will drive. Now let's take a negative one. I did not drive. I do not drive. I will not drive. Now a question one. Did I drive? Do I drive? Will I drive? Coming on to the continuous part. I was driving. I am driving. I will be driving. Not part. Negative one. I was not driving. I am not driving. I will not be driving. Now with the question part. Was I driving? Am I driving? Will I not be driving? Perfect tense. I had driven. I have driven. I will have driven. Not part. I had not driven. I have not driven. I will not have driven. Not part. Had I not driven? Have I not driven? Will I not have driven? Now, coming on to the perfect continuous tense. In this, I had been driving, I have been driving, I will have been driving. Not part. I had not been driving, I have not been driving, I will not have been driving. Question part. Had I not been driving? Have I not been driving? So this were of I part, like the sentences in which we use I were there. In the next part, we will see the he, she, it singular sentences.